Paul and I departed Miami International Airport late one morning in April and headed to Barcelona, Spain. It was my first time in Spain, and we were both so excited we could not even contain ourselves. We headed up the coast of Spain into France, and it was magnificent. After a quick nap at our lovely hotel, we headed to Windelo to meet Stefan Groves, the Director of Sales and Marketing for Windelo. He's handled all the details for our new catamaran. This is it. We're at the factory. We bought a 54 yachting version just like this one, but our hull is going to be blue. Why? Because Paul had created a vision board in his early 20s of the different things that he wanted to accomplish, and a big blue bottom boat was featured prominently. The factory is amazing. Just about everything is created right here. Every hull, wall, and piece of furniture is handcrafted with lightweight materials. These are 3 of the boats that are in process right now, and wait till you see them on Friday, just 5 days from now. Unbelievable. These guys are magic. Meet Stefan. We love this guy.
The parts that don't come out of a big mold are made, right? They're raised on this table. So they have what's it called? Gabarit. So masters, right? So cut out the right shape of the foam. And then you see basalt, foam, basalt. And then into a vacuum. So they're probably prepping this to vacuum infuse overnight, right? So they make a lot of parts. Set it onto the vacuum.
And then just every day, it's just
goes
more
in,
and more.
And it comes out, and it's a vacuum infusion process.
Wow.
In now, all the bulkheads are being made here.
Yeah. And it's a million parts.
It's lots of parts. I don't even remember, I should.
We make 1 million parts.
That's probably one of your excellent grills. These are the stools. These are the stools. Possibly for a couple of boats before you, those ones.
So these are all that stuff's handmade.
This will be for you. I don't know which part this is, but most likely for you. And so it's super light, right? Because it's recycled plastic bottles and wood laminate. So you can actually walk around here and lift up a piece of furniture. Yeah, it's just super light.
And that's the foam.
That's,
so you buy this,
yeah, we buy the foam.
and then you
can
just
buy
say it
either
has
PVC
to be.
or PET foam.
Okay. And you just want it to have a high proportion of recycled.
Recycled plastic. Yeah, correct.
This is spot one. They were just making these hulls 2 days ago. We think this might be it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sheer size, right?
This 54 is entirely your fault. Wow. This thing is massive. Holy shit.
We said the roof is this week.
Roof is this week, yeah. Well, you know, if you guys really stay on track.
If
it's just pretend.
Exactly. Yeah, so that would be your roof out there.
Yeah. I've been teasing Stefan mercilessly about being on time. They say they're delivering in July, but I never believe it, because all the other boats that you see never seem to deliver on time. So when he told me the roof was going on that week, I kind of didn't really believe it. And then we walked in Tuesday morning and the roof was on. Unbelievable. Oh, I like the floors.
These are your wood floors. They're in another boat. Yeah, they're in another boat as well that we're going to look at today.
Cool.
So obviously these.
Oh, who knew this was all here? Is this a bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's the little thing. Yeah. And everything's behind it.
Yeah, there's a lot of, well, some of the technical access, and we'll go through that during handover, but we'll take off all the panels and show you what's behind them.
Oh, this is Robert's room. I don't know why I call it Robert's room.
These are that you probably haven't seen these on an actual boat, right? These are the
shiny thing.
Inserts.
That'll be pretty.
That's really pretty.
Have you done the yachting version yet?
No. I'll show you. We've done the elegance.
Oh, an elegance. That's what I mean.
This is the elegance, isn't it?
Yep. Introducing Sammy. He makes sure everything happens on time. This guy is amazing. We love him.
This is the back of the owner's hall. This is the bathroom. And the shower. Cabinetry. Air conditioner.
This is a Windelo 54 yachting version, and also it has the same interior package as ours. There's some different trims and finishes, but pretty much this is going to be it. Of course, we're going to have the blue bottom on our boat because Paul has to have a blue bottom boat. This is the inside, the kitchen, double sinks. It's got an induction oven and range. There's Paul. Hi, Paul. They've got a little puppy, so they've got some coverings over the day bed up there, and the blinds are down. But there's a fabulous 360-degree view all the way around. This is our forward-facing nav. You can see the TV up in front of it, so you can actually lay on the day bed at night, and you can watch the AI equipment that we've got that can see at night, can see the oceans at night if we wanted to sail at night. As I mentioned, it's got just a tremendous view all the way around. Tons of kitchen space. You can see a washer dryer down there. There's air conditioning and heating. really everything you'd ever need. A dishwasher, double refrigerators, there's plenty of cabinet space. We are just thrilled with the way that this is turning out. This is the guest hull, so we've got some beautiful fabric that's going in there. Here is the master cabin, and so we've got a little walk-around bed, and these really cool windows that wrap around the corners in the different hulls. I'm so excited about. Our cabinetry is a little bit darker than what we're seeing here, and this is my desk. This is my one little space that I'm claiming as my own. And the bathroom, great big huge shower, and then just to be sustainable, we got bidet toilets we're very excited about, and so that should be kind of fun. I hope they have heated seats. Bye-bye. We'll see you in France, hopefully the end of July. We'll see if Stepan keeps his promise. And here's just a few fun facts about Windelo. See you soon.